a story out of this.
Yeah, today's story is going to be how we spent some of the summer trail riding on the DR650 around Whitehorse. I don't often do trail riding videos, but that's what we're going to do today. A little droning, solo filming. Always a little unnerving. I've seen too many grizzly bears this year, and there was a bad incident. So you're always looking over your shoulder. Ah, Le Bête. The bike. So this is Wheaton Valley, about 45 minutes south of Whitehorse. The beginning of Wheaton Valley. I'm about a half hour down the road, maybe at the most. I think I've said before I have only one eye, so the coloring's a bit off. You'll see with the overexposure. If anybody knows anything about lenses on Adobe Pro, would love to help somebody out with one eye. Moi, going to be appreciated. Just put it in a comment below. I find them somewhat confusing. So this is looking down the valley. We haven't gone down there yet. Next summer. Leaving the Wheaton Valley. Ice on the puddles. How about some company? You like dogs? I like dogs.
Hi, Poppy. Hey! Settle down.
This one maybe didn't really... Well, it didn't really dislike me, but he had a leather fetish for sure.
Wow. I just wanted to have a look at the Ibex Valley Road. Well, we've had a lot of rain a couple weeks ago, and I just about not only went down, I got stuck right there.
This is about 40 minutes north of town, Ibex Valley Trail, which I made 100 feet before I became quagmired.
That'll test the little Dunlops out. Let's stop for a second. See what we just did to our filth. Everything's clogged. Okay, there's part of our problem right there.
I'm thinking of taking up pottery. The clay is that good here.
Okay, well, that's Yukon mud. Thank you. Don't fall over.
Dang it, that is a well-trained motorcycle.
This is probably not the smartest thing to do.
That's my special area.
But I've always wanted to go down here and up here. So I'm just going to baby my way down. With all the brakes on. It's really soft. Being I'm a bit of a wussy. Soft. Look at that boulder. 18 inches in the air. I'm just coming down from Yukon College.
That was more like 12 inches, Bill. Jeez.
How nice.
We're a kilometer from downtown Whitehorse, kilometer and a half. Whoops. Careful where you're coming out. Again, another trail just minutes off the Alaska Highway. In between one of the subdivisions. I discovered this little power line hill with the DR650 V-Strom. But it didn't have enough ovaries to make it. The DR though, piece of cake. Locals. Yeah, the DL stopped about here. The DR just crawled up there like nothing. It's like a mini GSA. No problem. To me, on the other hand, I'm going to have fun.
Did you see them freaking birds?
And just around the corner is the Trans-Canada Trail. And it's in bits and pieces all over Whitehorse and north of town and south of town. And it connects to another cornucopia of cookie dough-like trails that are just magnificent.
On top.
Nice observation, Bill. Yeah, just when you think you're in the middle of nowhere, you're not.
Always in the Yukon. Soft sand divided by huge frickin' boulders. How awesome. Well, this is Yukon College. We're the fresh snow on the mountain.
Okay, there was no tangent jumping going on there, Bill. Let's just finish up with a bit of droning. This is Long Lake. 12 minutes and 37 seconds from downtown. And then we actually get to Long Lake off of that road. All these little lakes close to town are stocked with various kinds of cold water fish. And people like to paddleboard. So you could, I suppose, paddleboard and fish off of your paddleboard. I just wanted to show everyone that we do have a lot of trees in the north. We're not known for having the most massive trees, but we have, I would say, darn near the toughest trees. Survivors, for sure. Beautiful. Let's go up 500 feet and just see where we are here. More water. Okay, that's Whitehorse right there, coming into view, below the airport, the plateau. About 25,000 people approximately. Grey Mountain. And more lakes. You know, it's no wonder people love to fish and hunt up here. Bring your rod if you come. There's Grey Mountain Road right there. Most of these lakes are accessible with SUVs. You can always ATV in, mountain bike, motorcycle. I've seen Toyota Corollars up here, but that's probably because people didn't like that particular car. SUVs are 4x4s are much more recommended. This is a couple weeks later, and Old Man Winter stayed in same area, just showing that the riding's coming to an end. As we kiss 2018 goodbye and look forward to 2019 once this stuff goes. Oh, for Christ, I can't get it turned around.
Seem to be on a bit of ice here. So I'll just So I guess the riding is coming to an end. I want to go up there. Let me get turned around here. You guys take a break.